Hi guys, it's Bike Speed time. Run VT, Errol. Good afternoon everybody, it's Friday. This morning I had my mate David over and we cracked on with the back panel. Got it roughly fitted in place there with a couple of screws either side to hold it in. We checked it with the boot. We've found out that this side is severely punched in. There's a gap of about 10 mil, if you can see that. But other than that, we've had a good day, me and Dave. He's gone now because it's bank holiday weekend coming up and he needs to go back and get his daughter from school. So I'm still waiting for my van, basically. So yeah, basically what I've done is I've had a little strip down on the other side of the car here. So this side now is back down almost to bare metal. Just needs to be sanded back a little bit more. Treated some of the rust here. And I'm about to cut this panel here off down my line. You can see that down the line there, and that will allow me to then refit. I've got a new one of those A panels, so that'll allow me to refit. But yeah, we've had a pretty productive day today. I've taken a few pictures. We managed to drag the Mini outside, and yeah, it's we had a nice day. Had lunch here and yeah, I've used my time productively, put it like that. Anyway, I'm just going to cut that. All I'll do is I'll put you on a bit of time lapse and we'll go from there. Cheers. I'm just going to put a couple of slot cuts up that panel to allow me to hopefully remove it. Nice filler at the bottom there. Loads of filler there. Right, get myself a pair of pliers on that. That little one there, just fill up. Just fill it in the bottom. And there we have it. it's off. And it's a little bit corroded, so I might have to put a tiny lip around to make that good. I think I got one off the other side there. So I can probably use that. Then again, I might actually be able to take that panel completely off like I did over there. And it's not as bad because I'm not replacing this panel. I won't distort the door and how the door fits. I've got a little bit to cut out there. Should put cut, I suppose. And I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so I've got a little bit to cut out here. And yeah, good, all good fun. So basically what I've just done is I've just cut those two pieces of rot out here and there. That one is on the other side, so what I was going to do is just use my joddling tool and just make a little hole there, and then I'll get that from the other side and fill that in. But that can be cleaned up with a grinder, and that can go in there. Same with that one. These I've got fills for, so I've got infill panels which are going to be tacked down. The next one to address is this one down here, this big hole here, which is double skin. So what I might have to do is put two pieces in, i.e. put a piece there and then another piece over the top. Okay, so I made a template which lives in here like that, and I transferred that into metal, and then I formed around the edge so that that now sits in there quite comfortably, and then that can be clamped up and we can weld that, and that doesn't look too shabby from the inside either. So there we go, another little bit of fabricating. So there we have it. There's a few spot welds there, a couple along there. Got a little bit more to do, which I'll probably do tomorrow now, because I'm running out of time and I need to go home. But yeah, that's good. As I say in show business, that's a wrap for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers, and many thanks to David. Today we got a lot done. Thumbs up. Cheers.